Hey everybody, it is so good to have you guys in another video once again. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to integrate Synthflow over with GoHighLevel. Now, I'm sure you guys already know what GoHighLevel is. However, if you don't, GoHighLevel is a software that you could use to nurture clients that you currently have, to add them onto a pipeline, create opportunities, integrate your own calendars, and especially make phone calls with Synthflow. This will allow you to have all of your automations inside of GoHighLevel and obviously have a seamless progression for your agency. So with that being said, let's hop on straight into it. Okay guys, so currently I am in my agency's GoHighLevel's agency view. Now, what you're going to want to do is super simple. You're going to go over to App Marketplace down here in the bottom. And when you're here, you're going to go to search apps. You're going to type in Synthflow. And you're going to go ahead and see that there's going to be an app that you can install with Synthflow. Now, as you can see, I already installed mine. However, this view that I'm going to show you right now is the same one that you're going to go through. So, for example, if I want to add app to more sub accounts, right? I would go ahead and press on this plus sign, click on whatever account I want to add it to, and then connect to continue. On the bottom right, you're going to see the allow and install button. So you're just going to go ahead and press on that. And as you can see, it just goes and it adds it onto your Synthflow portal. It's going to bring you over here. Perfect. Now we're on my account. Super simple to do. Very easy to understand. Now you're connected with Synthflow and GoHighLevel. I'm going to show you what this looks like with this view. Okay guys, so I'm currently on my agency sub account. And as you can see right here on the screen, you basically have your voice AI tab right down here that you can click on, and Synthflow will go ahead and pop up with your entire assistant schedule with the whole software in here, all integrated for you. Super simple, super seamless. That way, whenever you have any clients, you could onboard them onto GoHighLevel, and then you could have them see their dashboard through this voice AI tab you can see down here. So there's one more thing that we need to add onto here, so that way you understand where to go and make these actions with your Synthflow and GoHighLevel connection. So go over to create workflow. You're gonna start from scratch, and you're gonna see that it's super simple to do. Right, whenever you select a trigger and you start an action, you're gonna go ahead and scroll down all the way until you find this right here, make a phone call. Now you're easily able to make phone calls using your GoHighLevel automation account. Very simple. Now, whenever you want to get their information for these accounts, you would obviously use a webhook, which is very easy to do as well. You can do that by going over here to add new trigger. You're going to see inbound webhook right here. You're going to add that. And then whenever you make a call, it's going to gather that information from that inbound webhook. I'm going to be explaining this all in further videos in the future. With that being said, this was a very short video that will teach you guys how to integrate that Synthflow account that you currently have over to this GoHighLevel account that you may need to get. I will leave the links down in the description below that will have the best offers for you to get these accounts. And not only that, I'm going to be hosting a webinar on Friday the 23rd. And I want you guys to be there. I'm going to be explaining how to create a follow-up caller using the GoHighLevel automations, as well as the opportunities and pipelines. So that way you guys will understand how it's done fair and square. And not only that, it's going to be an entirely live build, right? So I hope to see you guys there, and hope that the knowledge that I drop helps you guys out. All right, peace out.